Yeah, welcome to Programming with Java for Beginners. This is Thompson Peter Inyaboke Ikie. This will be the first video in this tutorial series, and in this video we'll be looking at how to set up the development environment or a development environment for Java development. Okay, the first thing you need to the first things you need to get available before you can start developing with Java is your Notepad or a text editor. Example is a Notepad, Notepad++. Okay. Another thing you would need is Java Development Kit, JDK. That's this one, JDK. Okay. Your editors can be the normal text editor or your IDE, integrated development environments, examples of which are your NetBeans, your Eclipse, or your JStudio Creator, okay. Yeah, your JStudio Creator. Yeah, so these are IDs that you can also use, but as beginners, these three are not advised. You're not advised to use these three as beginners. Just you start with these, either Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, so to be able to download Notepad++, for Notepad you can get your Notepad comes with your operating system if you're using Windows 8, and I think even Linux uses has Notepad. Okay, there's always a text editor with which you can write programs with in almost all operating systems. So, but if in case you don't want to use Notepad, you want to use Notepad++, okay, you can get that from the internet. Just go online, and I'll show you very quickly. Go online to Google and type in Notepad++ on the search area. So that's it. You click on the Notepad++, the particular version you want, and you click download. Okay, and the download comes up, and you click save. I already have it, so I will not download it again, but when you click save, the download starts, and when it's complete, you go to your downloads folder on your computer. Okay, and downloads folder on the computer, and go to the Notepad++. Okay, yeah, this is it. So you install it. So after installation, you can launch it. So you can see I already have it here. For you to launch it, you can just go to programs, where you click on Notepad++ and it opens. Okay, if you're using Windows, you can just type pad++, and that it comes. You click on it, comes up. Okay, so it is Notepad++, in case you don't want to use Notepad. Okay, so that's the Notepad and the Notepad++. So the next thing you would need is your JDK, as I said before, and you can get a JDK from this URL. Okay, so you just go to this URL and download your JDK. Okay, download the JDK. I'll just show you how to do that very quickly right now. So this is your downloads page from the Oracle's web page. So it's JDK you want to download. You have other softwares like JDK Server, JRE, and JRE. So, but we want to download JDK. So I'll click JDK download. Click JDK download. Okay. So on the JDK download page, you must accept the license agreement. Please it's a must that you accept the license agreement. Okay, so you click accept license agreement and you select your operating system. Okay, I'm using Windows 64-bit operating system. If you're using Linux, you click on the particular version of Linux you're using, particular Linux. If you're using Windows, select the particular one. So I'm using 64, so I'll click on the Windows 64-bit link. Click save. Okay, so already it's saved. I already downloaded, so I'll go to my downloads page and go to my downloads page and get it. Yeah, this is it. So you install that. When that's installed, the next thing you would need now is the installation of your JDK. So you install your JDK. When after installation, you now set up the environment variables for your JDK. Okay, the environment variables for your JDK. Okay, so how do you do that? You go to system, properties, advanced system settings. You click the advanced tab, you click environment variables. Okay, I'll show you that very quickly right now. You go to system here. Okay, I'm waiting for my system to come up, system dialog box to come up. Okay, it's not yet coming up, but I can see it go. Okay, yeah, the system level comes up. I click advanced settings. Remember, I'll click environment variables, and here am I. Okay, so this is where you set your environment variables. You put it in your path. You put the environment value in your in the variable value text field, and you put the variable name as path. Path should be the name of the variable. Okay, and you append it with this. Okay, so I already have mine set, but what I want to take note is that the environment variable is preceded with a semicolon. So let me make use of the newly installed JDK path. Okay, so I will go to how do I get that? Go to your installation page. Your installation location. The installation of your JDK, the location to the installation of your JDK. Go there. Mine is here, Java. Okay, and this is my JDK. Oh, sorry, permission not allowed. So I will make use of my this. Okay, copy that. Come back to my environment variables, and then please, I don't want to use this, that's why I'm doing that. So I'll semicolon and paste. Remember, I told you you must precede the environment value with the semicolon. You say okay. All right, so you come down to remember, you have two variables here. You have the user variable and you also have the system variables. So we've done it for the user variables. I'll go to, you now need to come to the system variables. Okay, already path is already there, and this is, so I'll remove this. I want to update it with my new JDK path. Okay, paste. So that's done. I'll say okay. I'll say okay here, and I'll say okay. Okay, so that's done. Very quickly, that's done. So I will now test my settings by writing a Java program. So I'll write my first Hello World Java program. Okay, already written it, so I'll just go straight to where I wrote it. This is it. Okay, I'm using Notepad and not Notepad++. Okay, so this is my Hello World program. Remember, what I want you to remember right now is that when you finish writing your code, you must save it with the name of the class. Okay, it's very important. Now the name of the class here is Hello World. Okay, so when you go, you click save. You know, I've already written it and saved it before now, so if I click save, the dialog box will not come up. But if I click save as, now yeah, this is the dialog box you will see if you want to save for the first time. So what you do is just paste the name of the class, just copy the name of the class, copy, and paste. Okay, that is it. And you say .java, okay, and you click save. So it's already saved. Mine is already saved on my system, so I'll not do that again. So that is saved now. So next you need to go straight to launch your command prompt or your CMD. How do you do that? You just go to search area and type CMD, and okay, that launches my CMD. You need to go to the location where your Java program is located, and I know that my Java program is located. I saved my Java program into the YouTube video tutorials folder, so I'll go there and copy the path. I'll copy it and come here and okay, paste it. When you right click, it pastes. Okay, and just right click on your mouse keyboard, CD, okay, it pastes that. CD means change directory. Okay, so that takes you to the location where your Java programs reside. Okay, all right, so yeah, that's it. So you can see the path has this new path has been added to the recent one. Okay, so you now use remember these very important commands. You compile, first of all, you compile the code with the javac command. So here you say javac, because you are in the folder where the file is. Now you say javac, you type javac, say javac, and the name of the file, say, which is hello world. Okay, hello world .java, and now you press enter on your keyboard. Very good. It means your installation was your installation and environment variable settings were all correct. Okay, so the next thing you will need to do is to run the code. Okay, all things being equal, my code is supposed to run if my system is okay. So I'll say Java. To run the code, you just use the command Java. Okay, that's the next thing you will do. Run the code with the Java command. Okay, so say Java hello world. Okay, hello world, and I'll press enter on my keyboard. Okay, so it's supposed to run. Okay, yeah, so that's the how to set up your environment variables. Okay, now next tutorial I'm going to show you more. Possibly we'll continue from here. I'll show you more of the output of our program, and then go further where I'll explain this code to you from scratch, what every line of this code means. Okay, so this will end this tutorial for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, I am Thompson Peter Inaboke. Thank you and goodbye. Till we see you in the next video.